Hey traders, Jeffrey here. Good to be back with you. Let's recap the overnight trades. We had a total of 6 trades. Two of them we had a couple of small stop outs, and then some profits and some runners on the remaining 4. Before we do anything, let's just go over our disclaimer. All of the information provided here is for educational purposes only, not an offer or recommendation to trade futures, stocks, options, or Forex. Place these trades based on your own risk tolerance and your own analysis only, and use my recommendations as a guideline for how to potentially maximize profits. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. So the first trade, the USD CAD, we actually got right in, and let's go ahead and move forward. Within the first couple of hours, we went ahead and hit our first target, and then right away caught the runner of the linear regression moving average right over here, and a total on the trade of only about 15 pips. Okay, and then it's good that we grabbed our profits early because this went ahead and ran away from us, so we were in and out early on. On the pound CAD, we had a small stop out here. Now, what I typically do is I'm keeping an eye on the charts for the first couple of hours. I'm following, excuse me, I'm following price action, and if I get an immediate change of character, I'm analyzing the chart, and I may elect to get out early. This is the kind of week that I don't hesitate to get out early, because with all of the interest rates and the markets waiting for the interest rate decisions, as well as inflation reports in 3 different countries, there's a lot of high volatility, and I'm not going to take a chance, certainly not in the early part of the week before any of that data has come out. So we took a small loss over here for about 4 pips or 40 points. On the Aussie CAD, same thing. We had a quick take profit right over here, and we grabbed 5 pips, and then we actually got closed out right at our entry point for the runner, so there was no runner on that. That one was a wash. Only 5 pips on that total trade. So those are the longs. And then on the shorts, the first short, the euro dollar, after we got in, we're going ahead and taking a look for a nice drop, and we did catch our first take profit after a swing back well into the London session. And once we got close to the New York session, we finally caught our first target, and then as we swung back around, we were out not until after 10 o'clock. So this one was a little bit of a nail biter, but we held this one all the way through and finally got 11 pips on the first target, an additional 16 pips on the runner, for a total of 27 pips on this trade. And then on the euro pound, we had a almost immediate stop out on this one in the first couple of hours as well. So we were out of the trade as we immediately saw a change of character getting broken. And finally, on the Euro Aussie, we had a very quick take profit for the first trade within the first hour or two, and then we came right out for our linear regression cross right over here for a total of 29 pips. So total for the day, 69 pips of profit, 2 very tight stop losses if we're managing the charts. And as I said, I'm ultra cautious whenever we have such a huge or busy week on the economic news front. So that's about it, traders. I'll go ahead and get some more recommendations in the Telegram channel. If anybody has any questions, feel free to email me, and I'm going to shoot an email out very shortly and kind of ask what some availability is so we can do a trading seminar. I'll show you how I actually place these trades. I use the NinjaTrader terminal to put my trailing stops on. I attach my I put two targets on. I attach my targets to the linear regression moving average indicator. Unfortunately, you can't do it in an automated fashion, but in those first couple of hours, it's very easy to manually attach it because we don't have the wild fluctuations like we do on the indexes. There's plenty of time to manually attach those to the indicator and then let them go ahead and run. So that'll do it for now. We'll see you in the next one.